Understanding the phrase, "Don't look a gift horse in the mouth." Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language and culture. Today, we're unraveling the meaning behind a very interesting phrase. Don't look a gift horse in the mouth. This expression has a rich history and offers valuable lessons in gratitude and etiquette. So, let's get started and explore its origins, meaning, and how to use it in everyday conversation. The phrase, "Don't look a gift horse in the mouth," is an old proverb that advises against questioning the value or quality of a gift. The essence of this saying lies in appreciating gifts without being overly critical or skeptical about them. It teaches us the importance of gratitude, reminding us that criticizing a gift can be seen as ungrateful or rude. Historically, the age and health of a horse could be determined by looking at its teeth, which is why buyers would inspect a horse's mouth before purchasing. However, if the horse was a gift, it was considered impolite to examine its teeth. This practice gave birth to the proverb, "Don't look a gift horse in the mouth," emphasizing the importance of appreciating gifts without assessing their value. This phrase can be used in various scenarios, not just when receiving actual gifts. It applies whenever you're advised to appreciate what you're given without overly critiquing it. For example, when someone offers you free advice or help, and you're tempted to question its validity. Receiving a bonus or reward at work that wasn't as much as you expected but still acknowledging its value. It's a gentle reminder that sometimes, it's the thought that counts more than the material value of the gift. "Don't look a gift horse in the mouth" is more than just a proverb. It's a lesson in humility, gratitude, and etiquette. By understanding and using this phrase, we learn to appreciate the generosity of others without judgment. We hope this exploration has enriched your understanding of the English language and its cultural nuances. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious. Remember, every phrase has a story, and every word can teach us something new about the world. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.